I'm at 6,000 millimeters out, and the moon appears to be moving faster because I'm closer to it. So let's see if we can bring it back down here. I'm as far in on the moon as I can get. How about my focus? Let's see about that. I'm manually focusing this. It's not bad. I think the autofocus is actually better than this. Should be the other way around, though. It's really not that bad, though. Now, those little white specks all over the moon, some people think it's stars shining through the moon, but I don't think so. It's more like a crater, if there really is such a thing as crater, but little portals on the moon. That light comes from the moon itself. It has its own light. The sun is nowhere to be seen. And according to science, it's supposed to be on the other side of the earth, but it's really, there is no other side of the earth. The earth is flat. Hate to, some of you aren't aware of that, but anyway, the point is, very beautiful and very bright. Excuse me. Ooh, just saw a little dark spot there. It's going to come back up. Let's see what that is. Yeah, see that little... You know, I've never seen that dark spot there on the moon. Nope, I've never seen that before. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to take a still of this because I can get it more stable. That's interesting. That's me adjusting the pan and tilt. My best score pan and tilt on this I use for this. Not just one off. Just a slight, ooh, there you go. Got the corona there. There's light coming through the moon. More than what I would normally see. I don't believe those are stars. Because why would it be just centered around the moon itself and nowhere else in the sky? I mean, there are stars up there, but they're not clustered together like you see here. This is light coming from the moon, from inside the moon. It has its own light. If you want to read about that, you'll have to read the book of Enoch. It goes into detail on that. Okay, I'm going to bring the there we go. Bring it back. Gonna bring it all the way back. Now that's what you would see if you just look straight up in the sky right now, if you're out there looking at the moon. That's how big it is in the sky. course, it's a lot clearer through the lens of this camera than you can see with the naked eye. It's the camera trying to focus. It's trying to focus on the moon itself. It's actually focusing on the corona, and that's what we see up here, real bright. Okay, that's it for this video. Have a nice evening.